Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you citizen how to change date. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To adjust the date on the citizen watch, what you need to do is locate the crown. The crown is a small knob on the side of the watch case. Pull the crown to the first position. Generally, pull the crown out of the first click. This position is typically used for setting date. Then rotate the crown to set the date. Clockwise advances the date and counterclockwise reverses the date. Continue rotating until the desired date is displayed. Then after setting the date, push the crown back to its original position to ensure the watch is sealed properly. Avoid setting the date between 9 p.m. and 4:30 a.m. as the date change mechanism is engaged during this period, and adjusting the date during these hours can damage the watch movement. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.